Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time or stop here, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, of course you are definitely welcome. So in today's video I'll be using my Juvia's Place eyeshadow. So in my last video I make review and swatch on the Juvia's Place eyeshadow. I did two actually, but in this video I'll be trying one. I'll be using it to create just a simple makeup look. So if you are interested, definitely keep on watching, and let's just get right into the video now.
Do you want to know?
This video is basically for the eyeshadow, so I'm not going to film the whole of the process of doing my face. Then we just see how it is because we are doing a review. So my face is clean, and I'll just go ahead to do the brows and then move on to the skin and to the eyeshadow. My face, I'll move on to my eyeshadow. I'll move on to the eyeshadow. So guys, like I said earlier, this is the eyeshadow I'll be using, and I'll be using this Juvia's Place eyeshadow Zulu. So this is one I'll be using. We already made the review, already made the swatch, so we just want to see how well it applied, how well it really pumped after using it. So let's see how it goes. So this is how the inside of the eyeshadow looks like, and I'll just go ahead to set my eyes, and I'm using eye primer. So I'm using this purple eye primer to set my eyes. I'll go in with this shade here, this brown shade here. So I'll just type it in here. Wow. And I'm using this Jehovah brush in number 9. Wow. Can you see that, guys? This eyeshadow is bomb. Mamma mia. So to blend it out, I'm using this orange here. This Jehovah brush in number 16. Then I'll just apply it here, like so. So I'll try to use my hand here. So I'll do same here and just apply it on my lid here. So guys, I will leave the eyeshadow this way. I really love it. It's popping, like wow, it applies very well. Can you see that? It applies so well. So I'll just go ahead to apply my eyeliner, and I'm using this eyeliner here from SS, and then do a little wig line. So I'm using my mascara from SS also, volume boost, then just a little here. And here is the lashes I'll be using from AliExpress. So I'll go ahead and dust this excess off. Light my face using this highlighter from DM thread. Look at it here. So then apply my highlights here. You know, this part of the makeup, just smile. Then apply it like so. I don't want to let it go straight, then I'll just do it this way. And so my lip, I'm just going to align it using this brown pencil here. And then align. I'm going to use this nude lipstick and then apply it all over my lip. So I'm going to use this nude lip gloss from SS. So you can see it. Let me show it to you very well. You can see that. Look. So guys, that's all for this makeup look. For the eyeshadow is bomb. It's the best eyeshadow that I've ever used, and thanks to Juvia's place. So guys, I really do enjoy filming this video and hope you enjoy watching it. And if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and get to click on the red subscribe button down there to subscribe, and also turn on the notification icon so you don't miss out any of my new videos. The notification icon is right there. Just click on the red bell down there and you will be on. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.